Ops, steady sa diha kay welcome tamos Barangay Caridad. Ang barangay kung asa nimutang ang Easy Global Coco Products, ang usa sa mga dakong pabrika aning syudad sa Baybay. Kung ikaw taga Baybay, swito na gid ka kung asa didapita. Para sa uban na wala kay balo asa, diyan ni may mutang sa norte sa Baybay. Paibawon ta mo ang inyong makita dili pa ni ang kinatibukan sa Caridad. Sa katong mga kamigsuonan na dugay ng wala kauli ug mga taga diri, hala tambali ang kamingaw ug enjoy ang pagtan-aw.
If I could just go back in time to the moment you and I said goodbye, I would, you know I would. I've hit delete before I sent every word that your eyes read in that text. I would, you know I would. But it's over now, and I don't know how to make it right. I'm missing you too. Who's that new guy on your page? The one who took your heart away? What's his name? Did he put that smile on your face? Do you ever think of us? Do you miss being in love? I messed up, girl, I'm the one to blame. Cause it's over now, and I don't know how to make it right. I'm missing you too. Wish I could see your face, girl, all I would say